Good morning, class, and welcome to your lesson video for today. As you can see, we're gonna be doing some review again on the OU and OW words. This is going to be the last day we're gonna be doing review because tomorrow we're gonna start with a new sound. Today we're gonna be doing the last day on the OW sound. Now, for today's lesson, I'm just gonna go over some of the new OU and OW words as well as practice our activity as for later. So the same like yesterday, we're gonna look at some of the words and see if it's an OU word or an OW word because we know they both make the OW sound. So let's take a look at our first word today. Okay, class, so our first word for today is very easy. We know this one already because we practiced it. Our word is, can you remember what this was? It's a crown, right? Yes, crown. K-r-ow-n. Now we need to decide, is it O-U or O-W? Can you decide? Crown. Can we remember? We do it with a O-W. Very good. So what are we going to do? We fill in this blank here and we circle O-W. Crown. This one was easy, right? So there are gonna be some words we already know, and then of course there's gonna be some new ones. Our next one is also one we already know. Up in the sky, we have, say it with me, clouds. Cloud. Very good. Now, can you remember, is cloud O-U or O-W? Cloud. 3, 2, 1. It is O-U. Cloud. O-U. Easy peasy. Now, this is one of our new words for today. So let's take a look at the picture first and then we'll practice it together. Here we have a blouse. A girl wears a blouse. Say it with me. Blouse. B-l-ow-s. Blouse. And the girls wear a blouse. They usually have a little collar like this at the top and they sit really loose and then they tie it in the middle of their waist. A blouse. Now we are going to find out, do we spell it with a O-U or a O-W? Can you guess? We did not study this one yet. Let's find out. It's with a O-U. If you had that right, very good. If you did not, it's okay. That's why we are practicing them now. So blouse is with a O-U. Now, all of you know this word already and you know what animal this is. And now you might remember you hear the sound. So what animal do we have here? It's a owl. Very good. Owl. Now, owl, we did not study last week, but you know the word already because we study it in K2. So do you know, is it the O-W or O-U? Owl. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Owl is with a O-W. If you have that correct, well done. O-W. Owl. And then here we have a word we studied already. Can you remember? It's a mouse. The mouse likes cheese, right? Mouse. Now this one you need to remember because we did study it already. A mouse, do we spell it with O-U or O-W? Mouse. We spell it with A O-U, just like blouse. Mouse, we have O-U. And then we have one more word for today. Also a word you might know, but we did not study it last week. Look at the boy and the girl. They are sad, right? So when you are sad, we call this a frown. Say it with me. Frown. When you are happy, you smile. But when you are sad, you frown. So when your mouth go like this, you are sad. You frown your face. Frown. All right? And then frown, we spell with a O-W. Frown. So that's very important to remember. Frown has an O-W. Alright class, so I hope you all listen to today's lesson because it's gonna make your activity way easier to do, right? So please enjoy and I will see you all later for your activity.